Welcome to our home in Dunedin.
Hello.
We're just about to leave, but we thought we'd show you a little tour around the place. This is our tiny house. It's incredibly tiny, but incredibly cosy at the same time. And,
Yeah.
I think we enjoyed ourselves here. As you can see, you've got a nice seating area here in the lounge. You get TV over there. And as you go around, you've got yourself a little kitchen with all the mods and cons. Quite a big kitchen actually, isn't it?
It is quite a big kitchen.
Quite a lengthy kitchen. You get your washing machine, you got your dishwasher, you get a big fridge freezer, you got your little pantry in here. Check that out. In here you got your toilet, and then you got your shower.
It's quite a large shower.
It is quite a large shower. So downstairs is very nice and cosy. It's very nice to sit in there in the evening. You can bring that table out, and you can let the heater be cool. Upstairs is the interesting bit because you've got to make sure you duck when you get to the top. So if you're a tall person, you're going to struggle. You do get a nice little couch up here. Then you come around here, and this is where you've got to really duck because this bit's on a higher level, and you get your bed. But there's not much room between the bed and the ceiling. I'm bending right over right now, so. Anything else to show?
Yeah, this is a little outside bit.
Yeah.
We have table chairs.
That's it really, so you've got a nice little view outside. We're now off to Christchurch, aren't we? Well, no, ski time.
Ski time.
Which is not a place,
Messenger.
very Lord of the Ringsy kind of place. There for 2 nights, and then Christchurch. Another Airbnb. Anyway, I was supposed to just show this place, not give you an introduction to where we're going next. So see you later, bye bye.